Launchpad, is a form of golf. I explain it to people as a combination between golf and bowling,
Yeah.
but it has a lot more technology involved in it than traditional golf or traditional bowling. But the unique thing about this concept is it's not intimidating. A lot of people feel like when they go golfing, standing on the tee box, it's very intimidating. You feel like you're in a fishbowl in some instances, and it's tough, right? It's tough. It's a tough sport to get good at. As easy as we try to make it to get on golf courses and have our pros available to teach people, it can be a tough, difficult sport at times. So Launchpad is more about a social entertainment experience where you're utilizing a golf club, you're hitting to targets, there's fun, engaging, interactive games. It'll have a dining experience. Most of the experience will actually be outside. The vast majority of your time will be spent outside in a covered patio setting that will actually have open year round, which was another point I wanted to make. I think one of the difficult things about being in Canada is that, we're open for 5 or 6 months and then we're closed for 5 or 6 months. And so people, get excited and ramped up for golf. And then, it's a little bit of a downer when these net, but without question, Launchpad, is going to be open year round. We've developed technology that allows us to, be flexible with, our heating so that even when it's minus 20, we can create a comfortable and engaging and warm environment. So something I'm really passionate about, I'm excited about. I think it's going to grow the game of golf a lot. And hopefully we can get a lot of those people out to our golf courses eventually too.